Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change the time format in Google Calendar. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Calendar and then just go to right top corner to settings and click here settings, and here you're gonna see time format straight away, and you can choose between the basic one, the US one I would call it, the 1 p.m. or like it's not even the US but the English one, or like the normal one like 13. It's like at 6 o'clock, and I don't know, at 18 in the evening. Like, I'm from Slovakia, so I'm using the secondary, and it's much more effective for me, and also the date format like this, because that's the date format we use here. And it's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that, you know. So have a great day and goodbye. And it's going to automatically save, of course.